Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you different ways to practice letters of the alphabet as part of my brush calligraphy alphabet series. All the products I'm using will be linked down in the description box below if you're interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I post a new calligraphy video every Monday and a new watercolor video every Wednesday. If you'd like free calligraphy practice guides, head over to snowberrydesignco.com/subscribe and sign up for my newsletter. I also wanted to let you guys know about my online beginner watercolor floral course that will be released April 2018. I have a waitlist for the course that you can join so you won't miss anything. I'll leave a link down in the description box below if you're interested. Thanks again for watching. Bye!